Ever thought about why personal finance is so important? It might be hard to handle your own finances, especially if you don't understand how things work. It's fantastic that you're making efforts to develop your personal finance knowledge. And for that, you've come to the right place. Well, today, we have brought you some of the most important reasons for telling you why personal finance is so important. And not just this, we will also tell you some of the other major advantages of personal finance and why personal finance planning is also essential. So let's not waste any more of your time and start the video. What is personal finance? First of all, let me give you a brief overview of what personal finance exactly is. Personal finance generally refers to how an individual or family manages their financial resources. It includes techniques for handling money through spending, saving, and investing while taking a variety of risks and events into account. Additional areas of personal finance include banking, retirement planning, insurance, and budgeting. The phrase also refers to the different financial organizations that provide financial services to a person during the course of their lifetime. So now that you know what financial freedom is, let's discuss why it's so important. Assessing the financial situation. Every time you make a strategy for your financial objectives, your understanding of your financial situation improves. This understanding can be gained through careful planning and accounting for all of your earnings, investments, expenses, and savings in various plans and accounts. Budgeting, in general, is a crucial component of financial planning, since it allows you to assess the situation and pinpoint the specific areas where you are spending the majority of your cash. You'll make better financial decisions and have a better understanding of your financial situation if you realize that saving money is more important than spending it. Meets financial and security needs. Money-related difficulties extend well beyond what we often consider. We must see our finances from a wider angle so that we may think about more than just going to work and making money. Spending should not occur immediately after earning money. Instead, we should have a strategy in place for calculating our income, expenses, and financial objectives. By doing so, we will establish our financial stability and meet our needs as necessary. Aids in spending, saving, and budgeting. If there is no financial strategy in place to wisely use that income, we could be living in significant debt even after earning a sizable amount each month. This is due to the possibility that we may wind up spending more than we make, sometimes without even realizing it. Conversely, a person with a middling wage can lead a more secure financial life. This is a result of their financial planning, saving, and living within their means. Understanding our income, monthly costs, and how to set a budget within them are all things that personal finance teaches us. Grows our assets. As a sort of financial security, many people choose to possess assets rather than rely on others for assistance. Nonetheless, a number of assets also have some liabilities. This requires having a sufficient understanding of our financial situation. Understanding our finances allows us to identify the true worth of a specific asset and to know how to settle or eliminate liabilities. We can efficiently grow our assets in this way. Well, now that you have also understood the importance of personal finance, let's talk about a few things about the importance of doing financial planning. Puts investments into perspective. Your life may be significantly impacted by your finances. Over the long run, mutual funds and investment bonds are typically tailored to your needs. Every time you can, even if it's just a little bit, you should put money aside. You can generate a long-term yield each time you invest in a solid plan that pays you well. Public provident funds, stock shares, mutual funds, unit-linked insurance plans, bonds, real estate investments, and more are just a few of the numerous savings vehicles available to you. By making frequent investments, you'll also get an understanding of how bonds and mutual funds operate, which you can use to manage your portfolio. By this, we imply that as you get more skilled at saving money, you'll be able to make wiser investments in the future. Enables you to concentrate on your financial objectives. Spending carelessly will make you regret in the long run since you won't be financially stable when you need to be. Knowing where your money is going and understanding the objectives you want to keep in mind are prerequisites for having economic confidence. Long-term wealth building and regular monitoring of the general financial course you set for yourself are required. Some of the important tips for financial planning are saving as soon as you receive money. establishing your financial goals. Start early, always have an emergency fund, and take care of your credit score. You should therefore set monthly savings goals that you can achieve with your income or employment. You will be able to develop a solid financial profile if you set aside this sum each month as a habit rather than an infrequent activity. So these were some of the important things you guys should know about personal finance or financial freedom. Well, what do you guys think about personal finance? Tell us your view in the comments section. And now, if you liked the video, do like it and subscribe to the channel. We will see you soon in the next video.